Hi guys, it's Ray. I have a Temu haul today. They did reach out to me and give me a $30 credit to do a sponsored video with. So that's what this is, because I hadn't been on there in so long and they wanted me back. That's how that worked out. So we're going to get into it. I ordered a pack of mixed colored metal keys. And I think it just says 30 grams, so it's just an assortment. I do want to turn this one over though. It looks cute. Oh, it is cute. This one has a little bunny on it. Little Alice vibes. So you don't know what you're getting when you order a mixed bag like this. It could be anything. And next we have this. This is an Ocean White Epoxy Pigment Paste, because I'm almost out of the one I've been using, so I figured I'd try this one out. And I also got the black pigment paste because, once again, I'm almost out of a black. I figured I'd try a different one. And this is a measuring tape. This will go up to 60 inches, I believe, so it's pretty large, but it will also kind of like the baby head measuring tapes I've been using on my cups. It'll go around something to measure. So I figured I'd try that for cups. I don't know if it'll really work well because of the curve though. We'll see. And this is 6 bottles of, I think they're a neon glow, but I'm not 100% positive they're a glow or not. I don't remember. And it doesn't say. So, but 6 bottles of pigment powder. And these ones are definitely glows. That I do know. I think I got the green, the yellow, and the blue. For some reason, I think these are just powders, not glow. And I got some neon stars. Kind of thinking they go with these. This is just a package of foam mounting double-sided adhesive. And these are just small holographic stars for like when I do my like Northern Lights cups or whatever. I don't know what this is. All it says is red. Oh, it's like a it's used for spreading glue or whatever. That's what that is. Like a little baby spatula. And this is heavy. I think it's a pair of scissors. Yep. I ordered another pair of these. These are probably going to end up in my truck because I don't have a pair of scissors in my new truck yet, so. And sometimes you need car scissors. I think this is another pigment paste. Yep. This one is white and the same brand as the black. And this one came with this little foldable spoon. I don't know why. And the last thing in this one got little keys loose in the bottom from the key set. Hang on. Look at this teeny one. It's so small. Just want to make sure I got them all. Yep, we're good. And the last thing I got was the mixed colors of the gears. Because I have that steampunk washi tape now, and I figured these would look cool in a tray with some of that. So, that was everything in this haul. So, this is just like a standard paste, and this is one that is supposed to create like the cells and lacing in, like if you did like an ocean pour. So, we'll be trying both of these at some points. But that is it. And I will see you in the next one. I will put the link to everything down below. Like I said, this was about $30 and change, all totaled. I don't have the individual prices. They'll be in the link below. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.